Today, I'm in our wonderful town of Neath, and I'm lucky to showcase this brand new development, which includes new retail units, a new library, and of course, the new leisure centre. I will let Councillor Jeremy Hurley, our Cabinet Member for Climate Change and Wellbeing, tell you a bit more about that later. But I just wanted to give you an update following our Cabinet meeting earlier today. At the meeting, we agreed a number of things. We approved an investment of over £4 million to catch up, clean up and green up our towns, valleys and villages right across the county borough. This is work the new Rainbow Coalition agreed to prioritise early on. To give all our children the best possible start in life, we also decided to extend the Welsh Government flagship Flying Start programme to more areas in Neath Port Talbot. This means many more children and families will benefit from this excellent scheme. And we agreed to commission a range of support services to improve outcomes for children and young people, which is part of our Families First programme. We also had an update on bringing leisure services back under the Council's management. But Jeremy can tell you all about that. And while he is doing that, we can also give you a sneak preview of the exciting new facility right in the centre of Neath.
I'm really pleased to be here today visiting this fantastic new multi-use facility. It will reinforce the Council's commitment to support and improve the physical and mental health and overall well-being of our communities. It will also ensure continuity and consistency of services by bringing Celtic Leisure back in-house, and it will allow us greater control of how the service is delivered in terms of things like opening hours and charges. We want to ensure that our leisure offer helps to reduce inequality and helps to improve health for all the residents across the county borough. It also means that we are securing and protecting the future of over 200 members of staff by transferring them back into the council employment, many of whom live in Neath Port Talbot. Once the service has transferred to the council, we will be able to promote a more rounded leisure offering to our local people and communities, as well as visitors to the county borough.